Hello Pixel. Here to talk about how to add navigation, a phone number over your navigation. Okay, super simple. This works for sure in Brine and Bedford. Those are the only two templates I really work with. And then maybe Touch and Go in the other ones. I'm going to paste the code down in the video description and in the blog post. So what we're going to do is we're going to go straight to Design and then Custom CSS. We're going to paste this code right in here and it pops right up. Now we can change basically anything in this content box. So it can be call now, maybe your office location, maybe schedule appointment, and then the phone number. The only thing we can't do is put in a link, so it just has to be text. We can change the font to match your website, the font size, and the font weight. Also the color and the letter spacing. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.